look like a potato. Hi loves, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Cynthia Teddy. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. Give me a day or two to think of something clear, to write myself a letter. Hi loves, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Cynthia Teddy, and if you are new here, please do not make this your last. Please like, share, and come join the family. It's yet another vlog. I'm trying to get ready. I'm going out for a ramen testing with my best friend, so I'm trying to do my makeup and get ready and head out. Our appointment is for 7 and it's 6:18. So I need to be fast. I can't do my makeup on camera, but I'm gonna try. I don't think it'd work. So this is a moisturizer first. I still do not have lashes on. Guy, I don't know what's happening to me. Moisturizer is in. I'm going the rest of my makeup off camera because I'm killing time. Like, I have to go. Yes, so I'm finally done with my makeup. It's time to dress up and head out. It's so cute. My dress is from Zara, and it was a gift to me by my best friend. From my best friend. And my makeup You're well fed. And her beer is empty. Hi guys, good morning. I look like a potato. It's Thursday today, and yeah, this is the maintenance vlog. And I want to go make my hair. I have a hair appointment, and guess where? Well, I have an appointment for 11. This is almost 12. I'm almost an hour late, and I have to run. I got my lip gloss from at Wendy's Opulence, and this is really good. So I'm ready to go, and I want to put this on because, like I said, I look like a potato. So I want to put this on. I got this cute, I don't know if it's called a bucket hat, but I got it from my Ooze and Stuff. The best plug. Yeah, this is good. I think I look better now. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? My 90s tea, I got it off of Shane. I got some stuff on Shein, but I didn't do a haul or an unboxing, and I don't know why, but I got very cute things from Shein, and this is one of it. It's a big tee, and it's so I am all set to go. I'm all set to go. This is my outfit from Shein, and this cute short. It was gifted to me by a friend in my slides. Also a gift. Final hair in.
So, like I said recently, I have identified this common experience that we are feeling an increasing pressure to be absolutely exceptional or be the best at something in our 20s, or at least have something unique about us that makes us stand out from the crowd. It always surprises me when I talk to fellow 20 something year olds where, a lot of us are kind of reaching a certain fork in the road where we're feeling very lost, feeling like we need to make a lot of decisions. And at that point, many of us are overwhelmed by the sense that one of the choices we can make, or one of the choices that we do make, will leave us feeling really mediocre, or leave us feeling like we should have done something else, or that we should be doing more, that our lives are kind of not meaningful unless we are being externally recognized for something that other people perceive as brilliant or impressive. And this is not about being the best version of ourselves or recognizing that, there are certain ambitions we have or that we are a work in progress. No, it's this real distinct sense of failure that what are our lives for if we are not succeeding? What are we doing if we are not being praised?
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I couldn't get my nails done yesterday. I only got my hair done. I finally got an appointment for my lash, but I don't know if I can meet up for that today also because I have something important that came up that I have to do. My forehead is shiny, like I have a shiny forehead, and that's because I just got my hair done. But I'm happy. I love my hair. I love the color. I love the style. And yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll just rush up my breakfast and head out. But I will take you guys along if I get to my lash appointment or my nail appointment today. Outfit check. My hair. My sister's bag. Hi guys, so I'm back home from work from my appointment, and yes, I got my lashes done. Sorry I couldn't like take you guys along. I missed my appointment and got a later one. But yeah, I'm done with that. And my lashes looks so good. Like I love my lashes so much. And this is my hair, the back view. This hair color, it's like I love it. So I'm home now. I'm trying to make dinner. I'm trying to make shawarma for the night. My sister already prepped all the things we'll be using, and she's waiting for me. She's been screaming my name. So let's go. everything we need for this. We have our tortilla, tequila rice. We have our meat, which is what we used to make this with pepper. Then this I already wrapped one, and this. Let's get into it. So this is how this turned out. I almost burnt mine because I wanted it to like cook a little more. But yeah, not so bad. But I'm having it with my Rabina drink. I'm just going to have this and I'll take a shower and call it a night really. Let's have a taste. First bite. What am I? Okay, everything is packed, so I'm just going to hold it like this.
When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true.
I tried.
Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. From you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. I'm away.